Hello everyone, welcome to Focuteer Entertainment Sessions. Today we'll be showing how to install the Veeam backup and replication software on Windows 2008 test server. Okay, currently I'm using a trial version of Veeam that you can download from the Veeam website. So currently I've got an ISO, okay, which is the highlighted one. I've just right click and click on execute Veeam backup and replication setup, and let's see. um, so this is the first window what we see, okay. So Veeam backup and replication, uh, and we have Veeam backup enterprise manager. We have the console, the documentation, and the training, okay. So currently I would like to install the Veeam backup and replication, okay. And I've selected that one. So currently it's showing as CPU does not meet minimum system requirements. Less than two processor cores detected. Data processing performance may be affected. Continue anyway. So for V dedicated backup server, please ensure that you have a dual core hardware. Okay, that is the minimum basic requirement. So it also says continue anyway, so I'm clicking on yes because this is a test environment. All right, and yeah, loading the installation setup wizard. So let's wait. Yeah, it's taking its own time. All right, so we have the setup wizard. Just click on next here. Right, this is the end user software license. Accept and click on next. So here the license, where we have to provide the license file. You can download the trial or the purchase license from the Veeam website, or leave it blank. It will operate as a free edition mode. So currently I'm using as a free edition mode. So I'll click on next here. Uh, so um, these are the features what we have, and the installation folder will be C program files. Okay, so the first one is Veeam backup and replication. Second one is the Veeam backup catalog. Third one is the Veeam backup and replication console. So I'm not getting any options to modify them. Okay, and so I've just go ahead and click on next. And if you want to change, you can change the path of the installation folder. Maybe if you want, you can go to the D drive, or it just came up with the system configuration check. So these are the pre-installation requirements. MS SQL system CLR types, MS SQL 2012 management objects. So we can install using the setup wizard. There is no need to download. Click on install. So it will first install, and again it will rerun, and it will show in all green. All right, see, it installed the missing configuration part, and now everything is in green. Click on next. So this is the configuration part, and and look at the ports. Okay, the catalog service port uses 9393. The catalog I mean, the service port uses 9392 and secure connection port uses 9401. Please make sure that all these three ports are open in your firewall in your network to ensure that we don't have any communication issues between the Veeam server and the clients. Okay. So if you want, you can change, modify these settings by selecting, let me specify different settings like the catalog folder from C drive to D drive. All right. And if not, you can proceed with the default settings and go ahead and click on install. So it's installing MS SQL 2012 service with Service Pack 1 Express Edition. So it will take some time. And guys, so this is just the installation session, okay? And I'll be uploading all videos related to the Veeam uh, beginners tutorial, okay, every week. So you can subscribe to my channel for more videos on Veeam backup and replication. Okay. And also I'm planning to for Commvault, Symfona, and also for the semantic backup exec beginner tutorials. So you can check all the videos also. So currently the installation is it's taking its its own time. I'll just pause the video and I'll come back. I mean, normally it will not take this much time, but however, I think this is my test configuration and my test environment, so probably it's taking its own time to. All right, so finally it's done. So that is the end of the installation of Veeam backup and replication setup. Okay. So all right, guys. So that is the Veeam backup and setup installation. So thank you for watching, and we'll be looking in detail about Veeam features in next coming videos. So stay tuned and subscribe for my channel, and have a nice day. Bye for now.